We are making a vinyl decal today. First, we're going to select New Project. And now we're going to upload our image of our logo that we created earlier using Canva. Over the left here, we have these icons. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. Now we're going to either browse our files, or I'm just going to drag and drop the image of Mr. Spicy over here and select Simple Design and continue. The next step is to remove the background. We already downloaded this through Canva without a background, but if not, you can click right here, remove background, or use these manual buttons down here. I zoom in anyway to make sure that there's no issues, that the background is completely removed. Sometimes you can look inside these letters here and you will see it as solid. But now we continue, and we're going to select Cut Image because we're making a vinyl decal. Now we're going to look and see here the image name is good, and we're going to tag it so it's easier to find later on under logos. And I'm going to actually put it in the file here, company logos, and then upload. Now you can see the image here, Mr. Spicy, next to a different rebrand of Mr. Hot, and add it to the canvas. Now up here at the top, we have a sizing tool. We're going to make a smaller decal. You can use these up-down arrows to adjust the size manually, or there's this little window here and you can type in, as we're going to do, a 5-inch decal. Now we're going to click up here, make it, and it'll bring it up how it looks on the Cricut mat. You can move it around, do whatever you need to place it depending on where you place your material. I have a full sheet of vinyl, so I'm going to just put it up in the corner here and continue. And once it connects to your maker, you select your material. You can click the Browse All Materials and find one you want, but I have it already saved here as vinyl, and you can see the tools that you need. It will let you know if you have the wrong tool in the machine. Now you can see it here, cutting out the image after you follow the prompts on the screen. And now it's time to weed the design. We use this little dental pick thing here, and I sometimes push down on the image as well to make sure it stays, because it's very difficult to do these little tiny letters. It might be a better idea to make it with larger, thicker letters, and that way you won't have these issues. But it's all things that you learn as you do. See, it's very difficult to pick out these tiny little in-betweens the letters. Now we're going to add transfer tape, which is this checkered tape right here, so that we can place our vinyl decal on an item that we like. We push it down very well, and I mean very well, and peel it away from the backing very carefully, making sure nothing is stuck behind. Now it's ready to put on any item you choose. Now we're sticking our decal on our Cricut machine. Make sure to push down really well all over the entire item and peel back very slowly, very carefully, making sure nothing sticks to the tape, and done.